Hey guys, it's Reviews and More, back with a review on the Mighty Mule 562 swing gates with the dual arms, certified for an 18-foot long gate or up to 850 pounds. As always, if you find this review helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. This will not be a install demonstration. It's just a quick review of the final results. I don't intend to make any install demonstrations, but I will link Mighty Mule's actual YouTube page, which includes everything you'd ever want to know on doing a DIY gate system like this. So that's there, and I'll make sure it's available and easy to access. So very quickly, the gate itself opens and shuts, and I'll show you what it sounds like at the end. Here's the box itself, very simple. You have the master and slave gate wires running underneath the concrete over there to the left, and you have the solar panel up above the right, and that solar panel is not from Mighty Mule. We actually purchased it separately. It is a Newsome brand, Newpowa, Newpowa, and it works just fine, and it comes with a whole kit that we purchased about $40. The Mighty Mule gate itself was $550-ish for both gate kits, and the gate was obviously extra, costing several $1,000s. But we welded this one on because the steel posts were too hard to actually drill through. Aluminum you could have an easier time with. But this is what it looks like fully installed. Fairly simple. As long as you get the measurements right, you'll be fine. Just make sure, always measure twice, cut once, or in this case weld once, or hire somebody to do it like we did. And there's the wire that goes underground and leads back into the main box on the other side of the driveway where the gate box actually is located. In just a moment, you're going to actually get to hear what the gate sounds like. With this camera, you might hear some traffic in the background as people drive by. Sorry about that. But that's the review, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button, and I hope it helps you kind of know what the finished product on this particular item is supposed to look like. Thank you again.